Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering and pairing the WF-1000XM4. This is the most important first step. Make sure the case and earbuds are fully charged and open the case near your phone. The earbuds should wake and prompt pairing. If nothing appears, press and hold the case button to force Bluetooth discovery. Once connected, install and open Sony Headphones Connect so you can select LDAC or AAC and enable initial noise-canceling presets. These app settings improve performance and tailor the earbuds to your ears. Next, focus on fit and sound quality. Run the ear tip fit test in the app to confirm a proper seal. Change to the included foam tips until bass and isolation improve. Then customize touch controls and sensitivity so you don't trigger noise cancel by accident. For sound, pick LDAC on compatible Android devices for higher bitrate streaming. Otherwise, use AAC on iPhone. Also enable adaptive noise canceling or ambient pass-through, depending on your environment, to balance awareness and to finish, adopt daily routines that keep the WF-1000XM4 working smoothly. Store them in the charged case, use auto pause and wear detection, and tweak ANC modes for flights or commutes. If audio cuts or pairing fails, perform a factory reset by holding the case button about 15 seconds, then repair devices. Make sure firmware is up to date in the app. Updates fix bugs and improve battery life. If problems persist, clean contacts and earbud microphones. Dirt often causes performance issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.